The Planning Commission was appointed after the Constitution had been framed. The Constitution had given certain directive principles, and it was expected that the Planning Commission would come out with a plan for the implementation of those principles. I can give only one illustration. The Prime Minister talked about so many millions of children going to school, but how many millions are there who are not going to school? The directive principle lays down that by the end of 1960, all children up to 14 years should be in school, and now we find that even by the end of the 11th plan, we will not be able to send all children under 14 to school. We will be able to send children only up to 11. I know that there have been difficulties, but then we should be bold enough and honest enough to say that it was an impossible directive that should be modified, and that it should not be there. About the other directive principles, I do not want to refer. I do not have the time either.